Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Rell here, and if this is your first time here, thanks for clicking this video. So the holidays are pretty much here. Not sure when I'm going to be uploading this video, but as of this moment, Thanksgiving is 2 days away. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a look using the LAcolors Brilliant Queen palette, which is a whopping $2. $2. The only thing is I haven't tried any of LAcolors eyeshadow palettes in the past, so it really attracted me to this. Was this blue and this green. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's not gonna hurt you, it's not gonna harm you. Let's support each other, and let's just get right into the video. So I went along and prepped my face. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation in C6, which is weird because I'm usually neutral, so the fact that the cool shade matched my skin tone better, and I don't know, maybe it's like the winter summer thing, not sure how it relates, but I am a C6. For concealer, I use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and this is golden, and then I just set that with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. The little itty bitty that I have left, I have to replace that like ASAP. And then I went ahead and bronzed. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and I actually contoured my nose with, well, I always contour my nose with my bronzer. I don't like have like a different contour or a different, like, it's just the same. I'm gonna pick up this brown shade. And usually what I would do is, so you see how I've contoured my nose? I usually take it all the way up into my crease. Yeah, my crease. And I use that as my crease color or my transition shade, which I've done today, but I'm gonna take a little bit more of this brown just to warm it up a little bit more. Oh, and by the way, all the products that I'm using on my face today, including which you didn't see me use, is gonna be down in the description bar. I'm going to pick up the blue shade. Oh Lord, help me. Just going in for the kill early. And I'm going to put that on my lid on the outer corner. And I'm gonna just kind of pat that in there at first. Ooh. Oh wow. That's pretty good. Okay, LAcolors. Come through. I'm just gonna take it in the crease, and I'm gonna kind of use circular motions. Whoa, not for nothing? Okay. Nah. Okay. I'm liking this. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more. And it's not that much fallout. I mean, it's not really that much fallout either. And I'm not really tapping my brush too much. And it's applying really well. It's blending really well. Pleasantly surprised. What y'all think? I think it looks pretty good. This actually looks pretty good. Like, I'm actually surprised. Like, they really stepped up. So what do y'all think? I actually like it. I think it came out really good. So far. So far. Alright, so the next shade I'm gonna pick up is the gold shade. Now, I love gold shades like this. It doesn't look like it's going to disappoint. I'm going to pick up quite a bit though and just tap it. The fallout is a little bit more on this than it is with the blue shade, but this is a more metallic shade, so the other one, well, the blue is a little bit of a metallic too. It's not necessarily completely matte, but at least in my opinion, it doesn't look like it's completely matte. But I'm gonna apply that right in the middle of my lid. That's crazy. Ooh. 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 I did not spray my brush. I didn't spray anything. Yo, this is madness. Whoa. I don't know if the camera is picking it up as well, but this is crazy. Hold on. I'm not exaggerating, y'all, at all. Like, I'm actually surprised. I'm actually glad I bought this. Like, this is really good. I'm just gonna try to blend this out a little bit at the top so it's not so harsh. Okay, wow. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go back and pick up some of that blue, but I'm going to use like a very small, I don't want to call this a pencil brush because I use this to blend out. This is actually Morphe. This is a M321 brush, and I'm just going to go right back on the outer part of my lid and just kind of clean up this gold and a little bit in the crease, so everything kind of blends in. It makes sense, you know what I mean? I don't know. Should I do an eyeliner today or what? Usually, matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna do an eyeliner today. I'm gonna be using my NYX matte liquid liner, my all-time favorite. Never gets old. Alright, so I'm gonna just dust away the excess powder that's been baking all this time. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this Ofra eyeliner in black, and I'm going to just do my waterline on my bottom lid. So next I'm going to pick up the green shade with this pencil brush, and I'm gonna put that on my bottom lid. And then I'm gonna take the same brush, excuse me. Then I'm just gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna pick up this metallic blue shade right here in the corner, and I'm gonna put that right here in my tear duct. So it's almost kind of the same color as the matte one, but it just has like metallic. Well, it's not really the same color, it's quite different, but it's a little bit more metallic. And then I'm gonna take this champagne-y color here in the top corner, and I'm gonna apply that right over where I just applied that blue shade. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes and finished off the rest of my face, and basically this is the final look. I am very pleasantly surprised. I wasn't really expecting it to look this good. Not that, you know, LAcolors doesn't have some great products, because I've used some, you know, in the past. But I really like this. Like, I didn't get to use all the colors in the palette, obviously, but I'm gonna insert some swatches here just to show you what they look on bare skin. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed shooting this video because I was not expecting it to be like this. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Like this video, and also hit the bell icon for notifications from me. Another thing, you don't have to spend a lot of money on great gifts this holiday, especially when you really don't have it. And there's a lot of us that really just can't do it. This is just a perfect example of a really good gift that is very, very, very inexpensive. Like, public transportation is more than this palette. So be wise this holiday, and I will see you guys in my next video.